In this video, I will be showing you how to get misplay points fast. If you find this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Mistplay is one of the most well-known play-to-earn apps, and while it does reward you with gift cards, the key to earning quickly is understanding how the point system works. Most people earn slowly because they're not using the right strategies, so here's exactly how to speed it up. The first and most important tip is to always play high XP games. Misplay ranks games based on how many units, points, they pay per minute. Before downloading, check the XP bar under each game. The higher the bar, the faster you earn. Many users mistakenly play the first game they see, but choosing the highest paying games makes a huge difference. Next, focus on level up bonuses. Misplay pays extra units every time you level up inside a game. This means that in the beginning of a new game, your earning rate is much higher. Instead of sticking to one game for days, rotate between 2 or 3 high-paying games so you can keep hitting those early level bonuses more often. Another strategy is to take advantage of misplay boosts. Throughout the week, the app randomly boosts certain games, giving you extra points for limited periods. If you log in daily, you'll catch these boosts and earn significantly faster during those windows. Make sure you're also using streak bonuses. Playing Misplay every day increases your streak XP multiplier. The longer your streak, the faster your points build. Even a few minutes of daily gameplay helps maintain this bonus. Your phone settings also matter. Misplay only rewards you while your phone screen is on, so turn off battery savers that slow down gameplay or close apps in the background. Use Wi-Fi if possible to avoid lag and maximize your points. Finally, don't forget Misplay's referral program. Referring friends gives you bonus units, and when they start playing, you earn even more. It's one of the fastest ways to stack points without doing much effort. Overall, the best way to get misplay points fast is to rotate high XP games, take advantage of boosts, maintain your streak, and use referrals. Misplay won't make you rich, but with the right strategy, you can earn gift cards much faster.